Hello students, I'm Suvikas and you are watching Online Vikas. So this is the part 3 I guess, perimeter of area and perimeters, and where we have discussed recently about the how to find the area of a rectangular part. Now in this part we will understand how to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start the video. It will be a short video, so I wish you all will watch the video completely. So the parallelogram, okay, the parallelogram. Now basically the parallelogram is look like, so this is the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, these two sides are parallel and equal, okay, and these two sides are also parallel and equal. So basically parallelogram is a structure or is a closed figure where two opposite pairs of lines are parallel and equal, right? Now we are going to find the area of this parallelogram. Now you can see this is not a rectangle, this is not a square. So how we will find the area of this structure? So the rule is, or there is a formula to find out the area of the parallelogram, and the formula is here, is equal to, area is equal to base into height, right? Base into height. So if it's a parallelogram, let us say this is AB, C, D. Okay, so if we look from this side, suppose so you can see that this is the base, this is the base, right? And the height is what? From here, if you draw a perpendicular, that will be the height, right? In our case, the base will be AB and the height will be AM, correct? Okay, now suppose someone is trying to find out the area of this parallelogram taking this as the base, assuming this as the base, then the area will be, if AD is the base, AD into, and the perpendicular, let's say this is the perpendicular, okay, this is the perpendicular, oh sorry, this is N. So in that case the parallelogram will be AD into AN, but both are same. Okay, the basic formula is base into height, and if you take AB as the base, then it will be the perpendicular. If you take AD as the base, then it will be the perpendicular. I'm sorry, not AN, BN, correct? So there are a lot of questions, so you can solve them from your book, and in this video I will try to solve two or more questions. Let us start with this one. Can you see the question? Now find the area of the parallelogram with base 7 centimeter and altitude 4.3 centimeter. The altitude is nothing but the height. Okay, altitude means the height only. So here the base is given and the altitude is given. So the solution of this question will be area is equal to, base was 7 centimeter, so 7 into, and the height or altitude is 4.3 centimeter. Okay, so if you multiply them, then the answer will be 30.1 square centimeter. That's it, that's enough to find out the area. Okay, let us take another question. Now can you see the question? Okay, the question says, in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram, CE perpendicular AB and BF perpendicular AD. If AB equals to 12 centimeter, AD equal to 10 centimeter, and CE equals to 8 centimeter, find BF. Okay, the figure, let me draw the figure. Okay, so can you see the question figure? Here ABCD is the parallelogram, and in the question it is given that CE perpendicular AB. So this CE is the perpendicular AB, okay, on AB. The that means it is the height, okay, it is the height or altitude, you may say. And also BF is perpendicular on AD, and AB is given as 12 centimeter. This AB is given as 12 centimeter, correct? AD is given as 10 centimeter, so this is 10 centimeter, right? And the CE is given as 8 centimeter, right? Now we are going to find out the BF, that means the altitude, okay, this one. Now as I have already told you, the area of the parallelogram, area of this parallelogram will be what? Since we know the base is AB, let us take this AB as the base. Okay, for the first time we will take AB as the base. So AB is the base and altitude is CE, or the height is CE. So I'm writing AB into CE, and AB was given as 12 centimeter and CE was given as 8 centimeter. So 8 12 is 96. So 96 square centimeter. It is the area of this figure. Okay. In the beginning of this video, I explained you that one can take AB as the base, another can take AD as the base. If you wish to take AD as the base, then BF will be the altitude or height. Okay, so from that perspective, let us find out again. Area we can find out by taking BD, sorry, not BD, sorry for that, AD as the base and BF as the perpendicular or height. Yes or no? Now, since we are going to find out the area of the same parallelogram, okay, so the same area will be there, area will not increase or decrease, the same will be there, 96. So we can assume, or we can write in the place of area as 96, and AD is already known to us, that is 10 centimeter. BF is not known to us, but we are going to find out the BF. So if you take this 10 below the 96, it will look like this one. So the answer will be what? BF. If you divide this one, then simply just by putting, you can get the answer, 9.6 centimeter. So the BF will be 9.6 centimeter. Then only the area of the parallelogram will become 96 square centimeter, right? If you take AB as the base, then you need to take AB and CE. Okay, AB into CE. If you take AD as the base, then AD into BF. Okay, from two perspective, 2 point of view, or two, yes, 2 point of view, you can find out the area of this parallelogram, right? Okay, another question. Let us go to another question. Can you see the question? Now you can see the figure along with the question. Area is given as 48 square centimeter, and here DE is 6 centimeter. So how to find out AB? Since we know that, very simple it is. In fact, area is what? Area of a parallelogram is base into height. So AB into DE, and we are given the area. Area was 48, and AB we do not know, and DE is given as 6. So if you divide the 48 by 6, then you will get the AB, and which will be equal to 6 8 of 48, right? So AB equal to 8 centimeter. That's it. Okay, let us take another question. Can you see the question? The question says the area of a parallelogram and a square are the same if the perimeter of the square is 160 meter and the height of the parallelogram is 20 meter. Find the length of the corresponding base of the parallelogram. So this is a tricky question. The area of the parallelogram and the square are the same. Area of the parallelogram and the square are the same, right? And the perimeter of the square is 160 meter. Okay, from this clue we will start our solution. Okay, we will start performing our solution. What is given here? the perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square which is given as 160 meter. Okay, therefore perimeter of a square, you know the perimeter of a square is what, 4 into side, right? 4 into side. So if you use 4 into side, the formula 160 meter, then side will be equal 160 divided by 4 meter, so 40 meter. That means the perimeter of the square is 160 meter. Okay, from there we have found the side as 40 meter, right? Now the area, let us find out the area of the square. Since we know the side of the square, we can easily find out the area of the square, and interestingly that is equal to the area of the parallelogram. So let us find out the area of the square, and what is the formula for that? Side square, right? Side square. Okay, if we do this one, 40 square, right? And 40 square means what? 1600 centimeter or meter, yes, right, meter square. So this is the area of the square, and we know that, or it is given that the area of the square and the area of the rectangle, sorry, parallelogram are same. That is, therefore that is area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram we can write it in a short cut, or in a short, abbreviation, parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is 1600 square meter, because it is given in the question that the area of the parallelogram and the square are the same. Okay, now the height of the parallelogram is given as 20 meter. The height of the parallelogram is given as 20 meter. We know that the formula for the area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay, and the base is given as, sorry, the height is given as 20 meter. Base we do not know, height is given as 20 meter, right? So the base will be what? Simply you need to divide this 1600 by 20, and if you divide this, then the answer will be 0 0 get cancelled, 280 are 160 meter. So the base is 80 meter. Okay, and the question says find the length of the corresponding base of the parallelogram. Yes, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and in the next part we will discuss some we will discuss about the triangle. Okay, we will discuss about the triangle, not in this video, in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.